मंजूर किए गए वो पढ़ के आपको सुनाऊं, और इनकी हार्ड कॉपी जो है अभी तैयार की जा रही है। जाते जाते इनकी हार्ड कॉपी जो है आपके हवाले की जाएगी। We, the participants of the all-party meeting of Jammu and Kashmir, deeply shocked and anguished by the recent barbaric attack in Pahalgam on 22nd April 2025 on innocent civilians, do hereby adopt this resolution in a spirit of collective solidarity and resolve. We unequivocally condemn in the strongest possible terms the heinous, inhumane attack in Pahalgam that targeted and killed innocent civilians. Such cowardly acts of brutality against peaceful citizens have no place in society and are a direct assault on the values of Kashmiriyat and the idea of India, which have long been a symbol of unity, peace and harmony in the region. We stand unwavering in our commitment to support all efforts to bring these perpetrators to justice. In doing so, we affirm that no act of terror can ever weaken our resolve or extinguish our indomitable spirit. We also support the steps taken by the Union government announced yesterday. We extend our deepest condolences to the families who have suffered loss. We share in your sorrow and stand united with you in this time of profound grief. We salute the supreme sacrifice of Shaheed Sayyid Adil Hussain Shah, who ferried tourists on his horse in Pahalgam and was martyred during his attempt to fight one of the terrorists to save the tourists. His valor and selflessness shall remain forever an inspiration to all. He is a true face of Kashmiriyat and Kashmiri hospitality. We hereby commend our people for the extraordinary display of their moral and material support to all the tourists across the Kashmir Valley and for their resolute unity in condemning the recent attack. We appreciate the spontaneous, peaceful demonstration across towns and villages across the length and the breadth of Jammu and Kashmir, which exemplify our unwavering commitment to peace, communal harmony and the rule of law, and reaffirm our collective resolve to foster mutual respect, uphold constitutional values and work collaboratively for the prosperity and stability of Jammu and Kashmir. We humbly and earnestly appeal to the governments of all states and union territories in these trying times to come forward with unwavering commitment to protect the Kashmiri students and citizens who find themselves far from home. These individuals, whether travelling or residing outside Jammu and Kashmir, must be safeguarded against any form of harassment, discrimination or intimidation. We call upon all political parties, community leaders, religious institutions, youth groups, civil society organizations and media organizations in J&K and the nation to maintain calm, resist provocations of those who seek to disrupt harmony and continue working together for peace and development of the region. Unanimously adopted on 24th April 2025 in Srinagar by the consent of all members present at the all-party meeting. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, we could distribute these copies. Huh? That's fine.
ये किसका है? फारूक साहब, ये किसका है? फारूक साहब, इंडस्पॉट इक्विटी बैंक। मुझे बताइए किसका है ये? डॉक्टर साहब, जो बाहर स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ रहे हैं उन पे काफ़ी हो रहा है स्टूडेंट्स के हवाले से। मेरा आइडिया है